Hello everyone, today I will be opening my package from Japan. It took almost 3 months to arrive, so as you see it was posted last year and we are already at the end of February. I personally don't know what is inside. I mean, most of it I know, but not all of it because some of the things are surprise from my friend. So let's unbox it together. I did already remove all identification things, so I don't have to blur it and stuff, and you only have the sticker with the postage that you see when it was sent. So let's start and open. One of the snacks that is really popular in Japan. I think you have seen this also in other stores. I'm not sure if you did, but yeah, this one I have tried something similar in a smaller package here, and I will be interested to try this one. This one we don't have here. And the English part is really funny actually, like, hey, what's up, another long day, just try our yummy spicy caramuccio and say hi. I will be interested to try this one. So next in the box, so I think if you know the box, this is Chocopi, and I see Shinchan. I guess I will be getting a card. I am. So this is the prefecture snack, I guess, that she told me about. I will be interested to try to make this, but I will ask for the recipe, and when I make it I will show you how I did it. The next one is Pocky. So this one is matcha flavor. We do have Pocky here, but I never seen the matcha one being sold here, so I will be interested how does it taste. So this is a repeat item. If you have seen the last video, is kake no tane with ume flavor. I do like sour snacks as well, which here are extremely rare to find. The only thing that I can find that is sour is maybe the potato chips with vinegar and salt flavor. This is the only thing that I can find here, so I'm pretty happy to have something like this again. So I saw this box actually when I was opening, so I'm pretty sure what is it. It feels empty. I'm not sure. It's from Daiso. Okay, so it is empty, but I for sure can use it up for a lot of things, and it's also in the style that I prefer. So the next thing is this one. I never seen this snack before, but I see, so it says ume aji, ume flavored snack, so I will be curious to try this one. I did see those snacks in here, but I think this is even more spicy than the usual snack that we have, so I would be quite interested how spicy it is, or is it just spicy without any flavor, if you know what I mean. Here I did try spicy potato chips, but let's say they are spicy, but you literally don't feel anything. Like, you don't feel the spice. It feels like you're eating cardboard, let's say it like this. So I hope this is not like this. I never tried this before, even though it's sold here, but because usually here they sell it in a big pack, and that's why I thought maybe if I will be disappointed, rather to have a small pack. So this is nice to try, and if it's good, I will know that I can get the bigger packs from here as well. Another pack of kake no tane. It says wasabi. It will be wasabi flavor. So I will be curious about this one because I didn't have kake no tane with wasabi flavor, and they don't sell this one here, so it will be nice to try this. As you see, it says Hotel Juraku So from what I remember, she stayed in this hotel and she got me a matching bag from it, which is nice because this is like something specific only for this place, so it's nice to have. So on the other side you don't have anything written, but it's quite cute and I can use it for my makeup when I travel. So this one I actually asked for, so she sent me pictures from the souvenir store in the prefecture she went to, and I asked for this towel with cinnamon roll because I thought it's quite cute, and I do use towels when I go out for, let's say, a long day of travel, if I know I will be traveling with trains, because they don't have napkins or something like this, so this is nice to bring with me. I do have a couple also at home that I use, but still another small handkerchief won't hurt, which is also nice, and it has cinnamon roll on it, which is also cute. So the next thing is udon, which I actually never seen udon this size. Usually you have it like a bigger and longer, but this one is quite small, as you see. So this will be interesting to make. So the next one is a stamp set. I do really love stamps, and here the clear stamps are quite expensive. We do have a Japanese stationery shop in the city that I live in at the moment, but since it's brought from Japan till here, the prices go up. So this one is from Daiso, as I see, so it wouldn't have been that expensive. I guess 100 yen. Usually here it's written, but I don't see it. But this is also cute when you write letters, so I can use up the stamps from this set. And on the corner I see another stamp set, so I will get this one and show it to you together with this one. So here you have a stamp envelope. This one actually I did had in my basket on AliExpress to get a stamp set with this one specifically, which is nice. So I can use this also on the letters that I write. So the next one is kombu tea, which we don't have here. I did try kombu drink before, but that's a bit different if you know the Korean ones that you just put the powder and dissolve with water. That's a bit different than this one. So I will be interested how this one tastes. So she did tell me she brought some fabric for me, so I will be interested to do something with this. I'm not sure what I will do yet with this one. So this one, we did say we will exchange bath goods, so I did also send her bath goods. So I see she sent me also bath goods, an extra box. So we have Pomme pudding bath bomb, which actually gets you a really cute stamp. I really miss those from Japan because it's nice to put it in the bath and get something extra. So you do get a couple of different stamps and a secret one. So I will be curious what stamp I will get, but the thing is also cute that they do put also in English, do not eat, which is nice for people who cannot read Japanese. So I do not know those characters, but I do remember I had a blanket when I was little with those characters, but I never seen this one, but I know it's quite popular again in Japan, so you have goods with those characters as well. So you get those characters. You don't have a secret one this time because there are only 5 of them. So this says Princess Fur Bath Bowl, which will be interesting. So you get one of those 4 things on it. inside. So those are separate ones for the bathtub. I think I had this one when I traveled to Japan. I got like a big pack of it, so I have tried this one. So she had sent me a couple with different scents. This one, a couple of those. I will guess a Valentine one. And we have one that is in a box. And I do really like the boxes that they come in because you can use them up after you're done with it. So it comes with a spoon and with the powder itself. So this one I never saw before, so I will ask her with what I'm supposed to eat this one, because I never seen this one. I will guess you can eat it on pasta and rice, but still I would prefer to know on what tastes the best. I did ask for this one because it will be easier to use soy sauce. I think you have seen those in the sushi restaurants a lot. So you have this button and you press and then soy sauce pours out of it. I did thought this will be really good when you eat sushi, or even if you need like a small amount to put something on, so you will not overpour, because you know with the bottles that we have here everything can be like overpoured. So this one will get me the amount I want and I will not spill anything. Not that I spilled some soy sauce or something, but I think you know what I mean. So we did say to each other that we will send each other one hand cream and toothpaste. So I'm not sure where the toothpaste is still, but I will find it. So this one is quite interesting. I do love the packaging because like Japan can make those amazing packaging, and it's basically like a display, I think, if you know what I mean. She said this one smells quite good, so I cannot wait to use it. But I do have hand cream that I still use, so when I'm done with it I can start with this one. And I think I got the toothpaste, and this one is quite interesting. Or is it good? I guess it will be Korean toothpaste, so sorry I cannot read Korean yet. But it says jasmine mint fluoride free toothpaste. Here we have some Japanese at least. But yeah, it's quite self-explanatory for a toothpaste. I'm only curious if it will be purple inside, so I will open it. Looks like it will be purple. So I'm quite curious to try this one. We have Boku no Hero Academia, so this one will be interesting to read. And you also have the seiyu's profile as well, the sign of them, which will be interesting. I will not show all, but it's quite interesting to see books like this, which we will, I guess, never get overseas unless someone sends this to you. And here we go with my obsession with Shaman King, if you've seen my last unboxing. So this one actually is the game book, and it's quite interesting that they printed out like the Westerner, which is not like from starting from here, but actually starts from here, so you can read about the game. Personally, I never played the game. I think it was only for PlayStation, and I never had a PlayStation, and I still don't have a PlayStation, so I cannot play this game, but I have seen YouTube videos from people playing this. So next on the book list, so this one, as you saw from the last, so she was able to find the other 3 books, but she couldn't find the 4th one, and she told me that she really wants me to read this. For sure I did want to read this as well, so this is nice to have as well. and it's not translated, it's in Japanese, so I will not worry that the translation got something wrong or something like this. That's why I do prefer my manga to be on its original language. And I cannot wait to read this. I actually waited for this one to arrive, so I'm to read all of them at once, and yeah, I cannot wait. It's also another Shaman King, where it's also for the game. I have to try and find the game if it's possible to play, because this will be interesting to try the strategies. And I have already like 2 of those, so I will be interested to read. And this one was the quite thick one, so it is again a Shaman King one, which I actually never seen, and when we discuss this one I will be interested to see. It's like a normal book here, so you have a little bit of information, I guess, from here about the character and so on. I have never seen this one, and it was never discussed online even, so I'm really curious to read what's inside, also about my favorite character. So I think from the cover you already know it's the Jhristonova. I do have one of them in Japanese, so I will be interested to prepare some dishes also from this one. This will be actually interesting to do, but I will be curious if I will be able to find the ingredients for. But for that I will make another video how I'm preparing those foods. So for the next one, and I think this one is the last thing. No, it's not, but I will. So it's a card, and it is a personal message, so I will not show this on camera. So I think those are actually the Jill Stewart's containers. Here we don't have it, and also they do not deliver to the country that I live in at the moment. So wait. I thought it's like empty containers, but I think they are full. I bet they were expensive then. Oh no. Jan. Yeah. See, they are quite cute. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, they are empty, because I did ask for if she has some and that she doesn't use, because I really love the design from them. But here, as I said, I cannot find something cute like this, so I can use the boxes, let's say one for my hand cream or like my moisturizer, and travel with it, which, because they are quite small in size and quite cute, and because of the flower colors, they are different, so I will know what I put inside in every of them. So this is what I got this time. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.